no gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Okay, so this is Short Mama 757 couponer. Right now it's 8 o'clock. I'm on my way to the store. Right now I have the bed manager. She don't really care for couponers, and this store stays stocked. But this the manager that really don't care for couponers, or she get her feelings if she see me recording anything. It's like she always have a complaint. So I'm gonna go ahead and come in and see, can I do the quick transaction so I can hurry up and get out of here, because I do got to go to work. So yes, let's go ahead and cross my fingers and hope everything work out. Okay, so the first deal I'm going to do is the Central Vitamin deal. Don't get the one with the 7 tabs more. Get the regular one. So I'm going to grab one of these. Okay, so this store don't have any of the freshwater sparkles, so I got an option 2 that I'm about to do. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Okay, for this deal, we're going to get one of these big ones, which is, they higher here. They $14.50 here. At my store, they are $3.95. But anyway, we're going to grab one of these. We're going to get one of these 26 count fleas. That is $7.50. We're going to grab one of these. Okay, so several people have been telling me that these is not the right one. These right here supposed to be marked down. Right here. These supposed to be marked down to $4.20. I don't know. I'm just going to verify and check. So let me go check. Okay, so these are $4.20. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so for this deal, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our 5 off of 25, our 5 off of 20 for the game. We're gonna use our $3 off for this Gain laundry detergent. This is the big one. Our $2 off for the Gain flings, and our $4 off for the Central Vitamin. My total should be $7.20 for all these items. It would have been cheaper than that if it wasn't 50% more. This at my store is like $13.95, but here is $14.50. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Let's go to the register and see if it's gonna play out that way.
I just had to say that so you know. Now you're at 8.17.
Right. Okay, so this is this transaction. As you can see, everything went as planned. My total was $7.20 for these 3 items. I know some people probably say it ain't the best deal, but look at the fact that just this big one right here was $14.50. They didn't have any of the sparkly fresh one. But again, look at my previous videos. I think I did one, and I forgot to put it in the description box. But I'm gonna post the game scenario in the description box, and you can see the breakdown that I came up with. Okay, so this one went as planned. So let's go ahead and do the next transaction. Okay, so now for this, we're going to get one of these Central Vitamins. Okay, since my store have so many of these, I'm going to grab one of these. Well, they got 2, so I might as well grab the other one. I'm going to grab one of these Central Vitamins instead, okay? I'm going to grab one of these Aleve Back and Muscles. I'm going to grab one of these Motrin. Okay, you know they $4. I'm going to grab a Always Discreet. I'm going to grab a Clorox Bleach. I'm going to grab a Windex, which is $3.25. And then I'm going to grab the one that say Multi on Surface, when it's the same price. Okay, and then I'm going to grab a cleaning product. It can be any kind of dollar item, but I'm going to grab a dollar cleaning product. Okay, so here's the overview of what I have. I'm going to use my 5 off of 25, my $1 off of 2 for the Windex products, my $2 off for the Always Discreet, my $3 off for the Motrin, my $3 off for the Aleve Back and Muscle, my $4 off for the Central Vitamin, my 50% off for the bleach. No coupons for that. My total should still be roughly around $6.50 or probably a little higher. I'm not 100% sure because I switched out the one that I had for $5 for the cheaper one, and then I added a $1 item. So we're just gonna see what our total is going to be, but I think it's still gonna be around $6. So let's go to the register and see.
$7.74.
All right, and here's my total. Okay, so as you can see here, everything came off, everything worked. My total was I want to show you the original deal that I did, but my total was $6.95, a good 50 cents more because of the simple fact I got the extra dollar item because of the gummies that I got. But I'm not mad because it's for 8 items that make each of these items under $1. So to me, still good, and I need cleaning products. I got Windex. Like, yeah, really? Got Windex. So you know, we have to do the next deal. Okay, so for this deal, we're gonna get a Motrin, which is $4. We're gonna get a dollar item. You can get any item. You don't have to get the same item I get. It's just that I think I have a thing about anything that have bleach in it. So since this got 30% more and it have bleach, you know, I would grab that. You can grab the spick and span products if you want to, but I'm gonna grab this. We're gonna get one of these oil starter kit that's way back here. We're gonna get 2 of these oil the refills. Okay, here's the overview of everything we have. We're gonna use our 5 off of 25. We're gonna use our $5 off for the the starter kits, my bad. And we're gonna use our BOGO coupon for the refills. We're gonna use our $3 off for the Motrin. Nothing for this. This is gonna help us get to our total. This should cost us $7.25. Which is great because this by itself is at this store is $10.25. So let's go to the register and see. Okay, and here is my total. $5. Okay, as you can see here, everything went as planned. My total was $7.25 for these 5 items. When you look at it, the starter kit by itself is $10.25. So I mean, of course you got a good deal. Okay. So we're doing one more transaction. Again, my transaction is revolving around cleaning products because that's what I need. Okay, so we're going to do this last transaction. We're going to get one of these Central Vitamin. We're going to get one of these, not this one. This one's the high one. Wait a minute. I almost tripped me up. There we go. We're going to get one of these Motrin. They almost tripped me up. We're going to get one of these Aleve Back and Muscles. We're going to get this Right Guard Sports, which is $1.85. We're gonna get 2 of these Trident gum, and we're gonna get 5 of these Lysol sprays, and I like the yellow one for some reason, so I'm gonna get 5 of those. Okay, so here's the overview of everything we got. We're gonna use our 5 off of 25. Now our 2 off of 10 for the Lysol gonna come off first, then our 5 off of 25. Okay, your instance always come off first. Okay, then we're gonna use our $1 off coupon for the Right Guard, our $4 coupon for the Central Vitamin, our $3 coupon for the Aleve Back and Muscle, our $3 coupon for the Motrin, our BOGO coupon for the Trident gum. Hold on, making sure we got everything. Okay, so all of this should equal up to $8.20. So let's go to the register and see how it playing out. And here is my total. Okay, so this is the last transaction. I just want to hurry and get in the car and put everything in the car. As you can see, my total was $8.20. If you happen to have paper coupon for some of this Lysol products, go ahead and use it. I don't have none for the trigger spray. What I have is the one for the toilet bowl cleaner, but I didn't need none. I didn't need any. I needed the spray. So $8 for 11 items, make each item under $1, and that is my goal. I'm over here got hair all and stuff. That's my goal, to get my stuff under $1 per item. I think maybe 1 or 2 of the items was not under $1 per item, but when you look at the retail value of the stuff, it is worth it. Like, some savings is better than no savings. I am happy with my transaction. This trip went so fast and smoothly. I need to make sure I do my deals like this all the time, when I write the phone numbers down as I go, and write down which ones I'm going to do. And I need to do this more often because this went very, very, very smoothly. But anyway, I'm going to wrap this up because I want to hurry up. I got to go to work, and I want to hurry up and see, can I post this a little early? So please like, comment, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, and do all those things that people tell you to do at the end of the video. And thank you for all my teen shoulders for sticking with me. Bye. And here is my total. Okay, so this is the last transaction. I just want to hurry and get in the car and put everything in the car. As you can see, my total was $8.20. If you happen to have paper coupon for some of this Lysol products, go ahead and use it. I don't have none for the trigger spray. What I have is the one for the toilet bowl cleaner, but I didn't need none. I didn't need any. I needed the spray. So $8 for 11 items, make each item under $1, and that is my goal. I'm over here got hair all and stuff. That's my goal, to get my stuff under $1 per item. I think maybe one or two of the items was not under $1 per item, but when you look at the retail value of the stuff, it is worth it. Like, some savings is better than no savings. I am happy with my transaction. This trip went so fast and smoothly. I need to make sure I do my deals like this all the time, when I write the phone numbers down as I go, and write down which ones I'm going to do. And I need to do this more often, because this went very, very, very smoothly. But anyway, I'm going to wrap this up because I want to hurry up. I got to go to work, and I want to hurry up and see, can I post this a little early? So please like, comment, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, and do all those things that people tell you to do at the end of the video. And thank you for all my Teen Shoulders for sticking with me. Bye.